Bili nga po ng suka. Yung ganito.
Ah, dato puti.
Akin yan, Dato Puti!
Galing mo sumapak, man.
Boxing is not for killing.
Para sa'yo ang laban na to. Para sa'yo.
Nay! Champion na ako!
Bumili ka lang ng sukat, champion ka na? Yung mukasim!
Ang Dato Puti po. May asin pa si Mami.
Dato Puti! Ito ang champion!
Suka or vinegar is more than just a kitchen ingredient. It's a staple in every household, a symbol of Filipino cooking and a reflection of diverse culture. From the sour kick in adobo to the tangy flavor in kinilaw and paksiw, suka is essential in giving life to some of our most iconic dishes. But not all vinegar is the same. We have sukang puti or white cane vinegar, sukang Ilocos which is dark and earthy, and sukang tuba from coconut, each with its own unique flavor depending on where you are in the country. Some are spiced with chili, garlic, and onions, making them perfect sausawan for kwek-kwek, isaw, or chicharon. Vinegar in the Philippines is not just used to taste, it also preserves food, especially before refrigeration was common. It's been part of our ancestors' way of life for centuries, so the next time you dip, drizzle, or marinate, remember, you're not just adding flavor, you're tasting a piece of Filipino history.